we need to add in the sounds, right? They also need to know the sounds the letters make. We start with the consonant sounds. And some good ones to start with are M, S, T, B, P, N, R, and G. How many beginning consonant sounds does your kid know? Once they can be comfortable with those beginning consonant sounds, we can add in vowels and then they can start blending words together. And when they're blending and sounding out words and they know sight words, boom, we're reading. Huck, this is the letter M. What letter is this?
M.
What sound does it make? Teach your kid early on that every letter has a name and a sound. I'm gonna put my M picture right here. Huck, this is the letter S. What is this letter called?
S.
S. What sound does S make? What sound does S make? Okay, so now I have a bunch of pictures, about 5 for each letter, and Huck is gonna sort. This is a picture sort. It's tactile. He can say the name of the letter, sound it out, and move the cards. Okay, Huck, start sorting your pictures. Where does this stop sign go? Under or S? Good, keep going. Let's see how fast you can sort. Make it fun for them.
I can only go this fast.
Sailboat. S. Say the letter and the sound as much as you can.
Okay.
Sun. Let's get some M's in there. Moon.
Moon. We got a moon.
We got a moon. Snowflake. Now we're going to review all the pictures Huck just sorted. Huck, what is the name of this letter? What sound does that make? M. Tell me all the pictures you sorted under for M. Go for it.
Moon. Money.
Mitten.
Midden. Mug. Mask.
And then what letter is this?
S.
What sound does it make? That's me checking in that he knows both the name and the sound. And he does. Yay, Huck. Here we go. Yay! Okay, show me what you got.
Sign, sailboat, sun, spider, snowflake.
High fives. Woo!
Double high five.
Once your kid is confident with 2, you can totally add on 3 and 4. We're going to show you how to do a 4 picture sort. Review the sounds you've already gone over. So let's say you did 2 letters yesterday. You did M and S yesterday. The next day or 2 days later, sit down for another 5 minutes and add on the other 2 letters. First review. Huck, what letter is this? He's going to get ready for it.
S.
S. What sound does S make? Good. Huck, what letter is this?
M.
M. What sound does M make? And Huck has already sorted those pictures. Now I'm going to add on the 2 new letters, so he'll have 4 total. Huck, this is the letter B. What sound does B make?
B.
B. And what letter do we call this?
B.
B. And Huck, this is the letter T, and it makes the T sound. What letter do we call this? Real life
T.
here. T. What sound does T make?
T.
T. Good job, Huck. And then he's going to sort his pictures. Huck, this is a picture of a truck. It rhymes with Huck. Does truck go under T, B, S, or M? Show me where truck goes. You can introduce the first picture. Make sure they've got it. And then once it looks like they've got it, you can just let them go for it.
Truck.
Good. And Huck, this is a picture of a baseball. Where does baseball go?
Oh,
Good. Once they've sorted all the pictures, have them read them. Hi. At one point, Huck put tooth under B. So you just ask a simple question like, Huck, does tooth sound like bell and ball? Or does tooth sound like tree? What letter is this?
What letter is this?
I'm asking you. What letter is this?
No, I'm asking you.
I know. Can you tell me what letter this is?
T.
T. What sound does T make? Okay, go for it. Go, Huck. As fast as you can.
Swing,
Tie.
tie, swing, tooth.
Good. What letter is this?
B.
What sound does B make?
B.
Okay, go. Go. As fast as you can.
Baseball balloon. Bell, bicycle, B.
B. Yay! Double fives.
Hey.
Then you can send them on a house hunt. We love house hunts to find things in the house, in the yard that start with that beginning sound. Huck, what did you find for B? Show us. A ball. Whoa, not just a ball, but a basketball. A basketball. What did you find for T?
turtle.
A turtle. A turtle. What did you find for M? This is a double whammy. M. It is not only a mat. We use this as a placemat, but it's also a map.
Map.
Double M's. Oh, Huck, what did you find for S?
Spaceman.
A spaceman. And you also found your shoes. It is a great game if your kid is distracted or you need to get them on task. Go in your room, Huck, and find something that starts with S. Go in the backyard and find something that starts with B. And that's how you sort 4 beginning consonant sounds. Good job, Huck. How's that cheese stick?
Great too.
Apparently now my name is Toots.